Welcome back to Scotties Hobbies. Real fast, I wanted to show you something. I'm working on this 2013 Honda Civic Si. I was called because her battery light was on, so she went and got a new battery, of course, and the next day the battery light came back on. So I was like, you know what, your alternator is probably bad. Well, I was like, you know what, just bring it over, I'll do it. It took me about an hour or so, and guess what? This one is a pain in the butt to do. It's not the easiest in the world. I want to show you how I got the alternator out of this hole without taking the intake off. And it's not that hard and doesn't add too much time, but it does add a little bit of difficulty and a couple more minutes, but really not that bad. So before we go too far, please hit that like button, subscribe, check out the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulation videos that could be potentially happening. So let me show you real fast. This isn't a full DIY, but let me show you how I got the alternator out of this hole right here. I loosened up the radiator support. You can see right here, there's 3 bolts on this side, 3 bolts on this side. After I removed all the plastic clips that hold on this, that allowed me access to the bolt that was under there. And then I removed the radiator fan on the passenger side. It was right there. Now with that, I was able to lift this radiator support up and over. Oh yeah, and obviously the battery was out first. After everything was out, I was able to lift the radiator support up and over to the side, and that gave me enough room to remove the alternator through this hole right here. Oh, forgot one too. This so unorganized in this video, but I also took the PCV valve out. It's good, so I'm not going to replace it. Just throw that one back in there. But that gave me enough room to remove the alternator, and I'm going to be able to slap a new one in. Again, it doesn't add too much more time to the job, a few more minutes, and just letting you guys know what it takes to actually get this Honda Civic Si alternator out of this car. It's not those real easy ones, the non-SIs. I forgot the engine size, but the other ones call for an hour of labor. You might want to add a little bit more if you're doing the alternator on a Si. I will also include the year range that this will apply to, just in case you are working on this, so you know how to actually or properly give a quote on a job, or give yourself enough time to get your job done yourself. Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Check the video library for a ton of automotive helpful DIY videos and emissions deregulations videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. I'll see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.